Three news stories for you viewers. Firstly, some satellite images have confirmed fires along a road in western Tigray. The fires have been detected between the night of the 2nd and the 3rd of December. So you can say just a few hours ago, these fires were reported. What is the cause of this fire? Is there fighting going on in western Tigray? Are these seasonal fires? I talked to some experts, they say these are not seasonal fires. Where did these fires happen? How far is this place from Sudan? How far is this place from known TDF deployment? We'll have a look at that. Second was Dr. Tedros, WHO head, has shared a tweet, an ambiguous tweet which is under discussion. Ethiopian government supporters say that his tweet is a message for the people of Tigray, for TPLF, a hidden message. What did he say in the tweet? And lastly, viewers, General Bacha Dable of Ethiopian National Defense Force appeared in a far region a few hours ago, along with president of a far region, an athlete, Haile Gebrselassie. He claimed that what happened in the past few days was a game changer, and it happened due to PM Abiy's joining the forces in the battlefield. Now, when there is almost no fighting in Afar, what is General Bacha Dable doing there? Afar is not an active front now. We know that Tigray Defense Force has been pushed out of Afar. I think TDF was pushed out of Afar 3 days ago. What is Bacha Dable doing in Afar? No. Is there a new offensive in the making from Afar towards Tigray, towards Amhara? We'll have a look at that. Firstly, viewers, fires have been seen in western Tigray. Again, a clarification. People say, Sajid, don't use this term western Tigray. This area is not part of Tigray. Well, I don't say that this area is part of Tigray or Amhara. Yes, there are disputes about this area. Long-standing disputes. I only use this term western Tigray because when this war started, this area was part of Tigray. I'm not saying that this area should be part of Tigray. Now, fires have been seen along a road in Kafta, Humra, Wareda. Have a look at this map, viewers. You can see the place where fires have been reported, and in at least two places fires have been reported and confirmed through satellite images. This place where fires are being reported is the road, main road, which links Humra town with Shiraro. There are two main roads in this area, viewers. Shiraro, Humra road, and Shire Ediramats road. Fires are being seen along the main road. People say, Sajid, you reported fires in previous videos as well. These are seasonal fires. Seasonal fires do happen in this season. But these fires are being confirmed along a main road. And I talked to some experts. They say that these fires are not linked to seasonal fires. There is some sort of activity on the ground. Now, is the presence of TDF here? Obviously, TDF is not here. TDF is somewhere near Shiraro and Shire. So TDF is far away from this place. What about Sudanese border? How far is it from this place? At a distance. This place is not right on Sudan-Ethiopia border. So, actual cause of these fires is still unknown, but it seems there is some sort of activity on the ground along the road. We'll try to update you in coming videos. Western Tigray could be a new battlefront, viewers. If Tigray Defense Force withdraws from entire Amhara region, we could see TDF move towards Western Tigray. In a separate video, we'll have a detailed look at Humra, Volkai, Sagade. Is there a likelihood of this area becoming a new battlefield in coming days? Secondly, Dr. Tedros, head of WHO, has shared a tweet on his Twitter timeline, which is being seen as a hidden message from Dr. Tedros for the people of Tigray. What did he say? He just wrote confidence in one tweet. In the other, he wrote servitude. Nothing else used. Just two words. Confidence, servitude. People say he's sending a message to the people of Tigray that have confidence in TDF, in TPLF. Don't lose heart. Trust what they are deciding, what they have decided about tactical withdrawal. It seems it's a message because this message is not linked to his other tweets which he has shared before and after these tweets. So it's a message, no doubt, from Dr. Tedros for the people of Tigray that have trust in TPLF, in TDF. What they're deciding, they know what they're deciding. So have trust, let them decide, let them do what they're doing. Don't lose heart. Lastly, viewers, General Bacha Dable of Ethiopian National Defense Force was seen in Afar a few hours ago. He was seen along with Afar President Abul Arba and athlete Haile Gebrselassie, who had announced to join the battlefront a few days ago after PM Abiy announced to join his forces. All were seen somewhere in Afar. What are they doing in Afar? There is no fighting in Afar now. We know that. TDF is out of Afar from Kasageta, from Eliveha, from Shifra, from Barka. Is a new offensive from Afar towards Tigray is in the making? It could happen. It could happen, viewers, that a new offensive from Afar could be launched. We received some reports, unconfirmed reports yesterday, but we could not confirm the reports. So far, ENDF is trying to provide a sort of safe passage to Tigray Defense Force, but things could escalate. That is why maybe preparations are underway in Afar region for a massive offensive from Afar towards Tigray, towards Amhara region, some other deployments and mobilization of ENDF have been seen in Afar for a new movement, viewers. He claimed that new gains by Ethiopian National Defense Force are due to PM Abiy's joining the forces. And PM Abiy's announcement to join the forces was a game changer. Can we say that? Well, I think PM Abiy joined his forces after planning. After planning was done, after they knew that they were achieving results, then he decided to join his forces. And wherever he makes an announcement, things have already happened. When he announced about Shifra, ENDF were already in Shifra, then in Gashina. So he reports things as if things are going to happen. But things have already happened. Developments have taken place, and he reports as if in coming hours it will happen. So his presence boosted morale of his forces, but we cannot say that just his presence changed the entire battlefield. No. There are several other factors which led to TDF's withdrawal from major towns in Amhara region. We are waiting to see how far TDF will withdraw from Amhara region. Will it withdraw altogether from Amhara back into Tigray? Will it withdraw from just Lalibela, Gashina and try to retain Dasi, Kambolcha? We'll have to wait. Then we'll try to give you our analysis about this withdrawal. I think for watching.